Hidden in everyday wonders lies a truth. Nature writes in numbers, and patterns astonish us. From the nautilus shell's spiral to distant galaxies, simple ratios reveal a universal language of beauty and order that echoes through oceans and skies. Even weather patterns hum with order. Hurricanes follow scales, turning chaos into curves scientists can forecast in seasons. Trees share the golden ratio in branch architecture, optimizing light capture while keeping growth elegantly efficient everywhere. These hidden equations invite curiosity, transforming ordinary moments into a science voyage that reshapes belief in daily life.